Okay, so today's lesson is all about counting on. So that's when we put a number in our head and we count on the next number. So we're going to have a look at a couple of problems now. There are 7 children already on the bus. How many children are on the bus? Well done, there are 7. So I'm going to circle the number 7. 4 more get on. How many more children get on? 4. Well done. I'm going to circle the number 4. So there are 7 children already on the bus and 4 more get on. So when I work this problem out, I'm going to start with this first number because it's the biggest number, and then I'm going to add on the second number because we are adding them together. 4 more get on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my 10 frame. Now we've used these lots at school, so we all know how to use them. So my first number is the number 7. So I need 7 counters on my first 10 frame. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7. 4 more children get on. So what I need to do now is add 4 more counters. So I'm going to add my 4 more counters, and I'm going to do the yellow side so that I can see the difference. So I need to add them here, yeah? No. I need to make sure that I fill up my first 10 frames. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, and I fill my 10 frame. I've still got my 4th counter, so I'm going to put it here. I know, because we've done lots of 10 frame work, that this is 10. And I know I've got 1 more here, so I don't need to count those again because I already know there's 10 there. So there are 10, 11. So my 7 add 4 makes 11. So when I write this as my number sentence, I would write 7 add 4 equals 11. Okay, so that's our first question with our 10 frame. You have got a similar question on your worksheet. So if you would like to stop the video now and have a go at the first question, then do that now. If you want to carry on watching the video, then leave it playing. Okay, our second question. This time, we're thinking about using a number line to help us instead of using a 10 frame. So it says, Mary has 6 coins. How many coins does Mary have? Well done. Bob gives her 9 more. How many does Bob give her? Well done. How many coins does Mary have now? Okay, what are the 2 important numbers in that sentence? Well done. The numbers 6 and the number 9. If I was writing this as a number sentence, I would write it 6 add 9. But on my number line, is it a good idea to start with 6 first, or should I start with 9? Well done, I should start with 9 because it's the bigger number, and then I have less jumps to do and there is less chance of me making a mistake. So I'm going to circle the number 9 on here, and we are going to make 6 jumps because that's the number that we are adding. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the number that I've landed on, it's a bit hard to see, is the number 15. So 6 add 9 equals 15. We need to be very, very careful when we're writing our teens numbers that we're making sure that our 1 comes first for our teens numbers. Okay, so that's the second type of question you've got on your sheet. If you need to go back on the video to have another look at this and how we do it, then wind back the video and have another look. If you are feeling very confident, I would like you to have a go at the last lot of questions on your sheet, which are all to do with number lines. See if you can use the number lines on your sheet to help you and work it out. If you're finding number lines a little bit tricky, I would suggest using objects to help you. You might have things like Lego, or you might have other building blocks, or you might have things like dolls or teddies. You could use them to help you. So you could get 6 blocks and 9 teddies and then add them together to find the answer if you are finding number lines a bit tricky. Okay, good luck and send us photos of your work. Bye.